causes of car battery drain, and how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we delve into a critical yet often overlooked aspect of vehicle maintenance, the car battery. Yes, that compact, silent workhorse under your hood that powers your vehicle's electrical components. Ever faced a situation where you turn the ignition key, but your car refuses to start? Or maybe the electronics in your car are acting up. It can be frustrating, right? These are typical signs of a drained car battery. As integral as the engine, a healthy car battery ensures a smooth, trouble-free driving experience. But what causes a car battery to drain, and how can you fix it? More importantly, how can you prevent it from happening in the future? In this video, we will uncover the common causes of car battery drain, learn how to recognize the signs, and walk you through the steps of fixing it. Plus, we'll provide you with some invaluable tips on prolonging your car battery's life. What a car battery is, and its role in a vehicle. Once your car engine is running, the battery is what supplies energy or power to all electrical components of your vehicle, such as the lights, radio, air conditioning, and onboard computers. It also absorbs any voltage spikes and shields the car's electrical systems. So what exactly is a car battery drain? This is a common problem in which your battery loses charge when it shouldn't, leaving you with a car that won't start or electrical systems that don't function as they should. This can occur for a variety of reasons, including both mechanical and human factors. While a certain amount of battery drain is normal, for instance, when your car is off but still powers security systems, excessive drain can lead to an array of problems and can significantly shorten the lifespan of your battery. Understanding these causes and how to address them is key to maintaining a healthy battery, and by extension, a smoothly running vehicle. Common causes of car battery drain. One of the most perplexing and frustrating problems a car owner might face is a battery that keeps draining. Several common culprits might be behind this issue, and understanding them is the first step towards finding a solution. 1. Parasitic drain or electrical issues. Sometimes, even when the car is off, certain components continue to consume power. While a small amount of parasitic drain is normal, an electrical fault can cause more significant drain. This could be due to a malfunctioning alternator, a bad relay, or other defective components. 2. Age and condition of the battery. Like any other part of your car, batteries wear out over time. An old or damaged battery may not hold a charge as efficiently, leading to gradual drainage. Regular battery checks are crucial to avoid surprises. 3. Leaving lights or electrical devices on. A common mistake many drivers make is leaving lights or accessories like the radio on when the car is off. This can quickly deplete a car battery, especially if the car is not used for an extended period. 4. Extreme temperature conditions. Both very cold and very hot temperatures can take a toll on your car's battery. Cold weather can slow down the chemical reactions within the battery, while hot weather can accelerate battery corrosion and evaporation of the electrolyte. 5. Frequent short drives. Your battery gets recharged while driving. If you only take short trips, your battery doesn't have enough time to recharge fully. Over time, this constant state of undercharge can lead to a weakened battery that's prone to drainage. How to fix a drained car battery. If your car battery drains, you don't necessarily have to feel stranded. Here's what you can do. Number 1. Jump starting your car. The quickest fix when you're dealing with a drained battery is a jump start. This simply requires jumper cables and a second vehicle with a working battery. Here are the steps to jumpstart the drained battery. 1. Ensure both cars are off. 2. Connect one end of the red, positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery. 3. Connect the other red, positive cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. 4. Connect one end of the black, negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the working battery. 5. Connect the other black, negative cable to an unpainted metallic part of the car with the dead battery, not near the battery. 6. Start the working car's engine, then the dead car's engine. 7. Once the dead car is started, disconnect the cables in reverse order. Number 2. Consider battery replacement. If your battery is over 5 years old and you're experiencing frequent battery drain issues, it may be time for a replacement. Other signs it might be time to replace a battery that drains frequently include if your car struggles to start. The battery warning light on your dashboard is on. And lastly, if the battery case appears swollen. Tips for choosing a new battery. When looking for a new battery, consider the correct size for your vehicle, its reserve capacity, how long the battery can run using its own power without the engine, and the cold cranking amps, power to start the car in cold weather. Always check your vehicle manual for guidance, and consider the battery warranty when making a purchase. Remember, while a drained battery is a common issue, regular checks and maintenance can help keep your battery in good condition and prolong its life. Tips for preventing future battery drain. Regular battery checks. One of the simplest ways to avoid battery drain is to schedule regular checks. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, ensure that the connections are tight, and look for any signs of wear or damage. If you're unsure how to do this, consult your car's manual or see a professional. Adopting energy-saving habits. Simple habits like turning off your headlights and other electrical devices when you exit the car can make a significant difference. Modern cars often have auto-off features for headlights, but it's still a good practice to ensure everything is switched off. Regular long drives. Short trips can prevent your battery from fully recharging. Regular longer drives allow your car's alternator to recharge the battery properly, keeping it in healthy condition. Adapting to extreme weather. Protecting your battery from extreme temperatures can enhance its longevity. During hot weather, try to park in the shade or use a reflective sunshade. In cold weather, consider a garage if available or utilize a battery warmer. That is it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.